Welcome you all for the course introduction session of Digital Electronics and Logic Design, second year Computer Engineering. I am Dr. Preeti Metange, working as an Associate Professor in Department of Computer Engineering, MIT's Institute of Engineering, Bhujbal Knowledge City. In the course introduction session of Digital Electronics and Logic Design, we will see the prerequisite of the course outcome and course contents. Digital Electronics and Logic Design is the base for the VLSI design. Nowadays, we are working in a 20 nanometer technology and reaching towards the 7 nanometer. So for the VLSI design, it's necessary to study Digital Electronics and Logic Design. The prerequisite for this course is Basic Electronics Engineering, which is there in the first year of engineering. Let us see the course outcomes. On completion of this course, student will be able to simplify Boolean expression using K-map, design and implement combinational circuits, design and implement sequential circuits, develop simple real-world applications using ASM and PLD. Differentiate and choose appropriate logic families IC packages. Explain organization and architecture of computer system. Let us see the syllabus of the course. Unit 1, Minimization Techniques. Minimization of Boolean functions using K-map, Quine-McCluskey method. Representation of signed numbers, 1's complement, 2's complement form. Sum of product and product of sum form, minimization of SOP and POS using K-map. Unit 2, Combinational Logic Design. In this one, we'll have code converters, BCD, XS3, gray code, binary code, adders, subtractors, multiplexers, multiplexer ICs, demultiplexer ICs, implementation of SOP and POS using mux, demux, comparators, sequence generators and checkers. Unit 3, Sequential Logic Design, in which we have flip-flops like SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, DT flip-flop, master-slave JK flip-flop, truth table and excitation table, conversion from one type to another type of flip-flop, registers like SISO, SIPO, PISO, PIPO, shift register, bidirectional shift registers, universal shift registers, counters like ring counter, asynchronous counters, synchronous counters, BCD Johnson counters, sequential circuit design using Murray and Milley machine, state table, state diagram, design procedure of sequence generators and detectors. Unit 4, Algorithmic State Machines and Programmable Logic Devices. Algorithmic state machine consists of finite state machines and ASM charts, construction of ASM charts and realization of sequential circuits. PLDs, ROM as PLDs, PLA, PAL, designing combinational circuits using PLDs. Unit 5 is dedicated to logic families, in which we will see the classification of logic families like unipolar and bipolar logic families and characteristics of digital ICs. Transistor logic, operation of TTL NAND gate, TTL with active pull-up, TTL with open collector output, CMOS inverter, CMOS characteristics, CMOS configurations. Unit 6 is nothing but introduction to the computer architecture, which is the base for the microprocessor subject, which is there in the second semester of the second year. Introduction to idle microprocessor, data bus, address bus, control bus, microprocessor based systems, basic operations, microprocessor operations, block diagram of microprocessor. Functional units of microprocessors like ALU, basic arithmetic operations using ALU, multiplier circuit using ALU and shift register, memory organization and operations, digital circuit using decoder and registers for memory operations. Thank you.